we're not just a fastener distributor, right? We're a partner in your fastening needs. I'm Eric Barfels. I'm the Director of Business Development. Bossard's high quality standards mean a lot to us, right? We look to do more than just sell you a part. So we actually are ISO certified in our lab to test our gauges. We're ISO 9001 certified to make sure that we meet all quality standards, but that also trickles into our kit and assembly operation as well. In our kit and assembly operation, we're able to track every step of the way, track material flow separately, as well as, we make sure that we're checking the parts when they come in from our quality department, as well as we double check them before we even finish them, and they get checked as they go out the door. Having ISO certifications for us really help because we have an extra set of eyes comparative to when it comes from our manufacturers, where if you're manufacturing the part, main aspects of making sure the bolt's structurally there. For us, we are double checking the plating, double checking the patch, making sure the dimensions are there. It's just a second set of eyes from all of our vendors, whether it be applicator, the patch, or the manufacturers. And because of that, it's a cost benefit for our customers as well.